Most people think pain starts where it hurts, but I can often tell what's wrong just by watching somebody walk. Gait is one of the most powerful yet overlooked indicators of function. Lower back pain, hip pain, knee issues, even headaches and dizziness can show up. Here, watch this. See that side to side shift? That's called a waddling gait. This patient's advanced with also ataxia. That drop or wink at the pelvis usually means weakness in the hip stabilizers like the glute medius. But here's where it gets interesting. The same pattern also reflects how the brain, specifically the cerebellum, is coordinating movement and balance and stability. So this isn't just a muscle problem. It's a neuromuscular pattern. At our office, we don't just treat where it hurts, we analyze how your body and brain are functioning together. Take a look at your own walk. Do you have a waddle?